Good morning to all. Solar radiations. The sun rays only sources of light to all the planets in the solar system. The land, water, air, our planets receive heat from the sun. The earth receives the heat energy from the sun. So, some of radiations, it is called solar radiations. The sun is only lighting, some of lighting with the other planets. Our planet, land, water, and air. The sun is only covered some of rays within radiations. It means of solar radiations. The element of climate, temperature, pressure, wind, cloud, and rainfall. So temperature, land of conduction. So water is convection. So atmosphere, terrestrial radiations. The earth has capacity of reflect the sun rays. The temperature is not same. Everyone, latitude, altitude, distance from the sea, the position of the mountain, some of the factors determine the temperature of the places. Thus, imagine line the traveling horizontally and the earth, the surface from the west to east are called latitude. The imaginary line drawn to vertically on the earth, the surface from the north to south are called longitude. Latitude and longitude help us locate the place correctly. So locations, some of locations. Latitude it means of horizontal line. So longitude it means of vertical line. So latitude and longitude help us location place. So correctly. So some of example for map. So latitude and longitude is a correct form. So location places. Some of location places. Using location places. The greenhouse, the sunlight, earth is reflect. The carbon dioxide, other gases, atmosphere, the heat keeping earth warm. So, so greenhouses, the effect of greenhouses. The line of latitude. Latitude it means of vertical line. So horizontal line, longitude. Some of difference, latitude and longitude. So world map. For example, for world map, latitude and longitude, the correct form of location place. Latitude and longitude. See the picture now. Latitude and longitude. Latitude it means of vertical line. Longitude it means of horizontal line. So heat zones of Earth. The frigid zone, so 90-degree north. So temperature zone 66 of degree south. So torrid zone 23 of degree north. So equator 0 degree. So torrid zone 23 of degree south. Temperature zone 66 of degree south. So frigid zone 90 degrees south. Why does the heat vary? So from the morning to evening. So earth rotations and revolutions. Some of changes morning to evening. It's because it is a sunrise. The land is divided into the various heat zones. So according to fall the sun rays and the surface of the earth. The zones between the Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn and is called the tropical and terrace zone. Where sun rays fall vertically. The zones between 23 of degree north to 26 of degree north. The latitude and 23 of degree south and 66 of degree south latitude which receive the slanting rays. Which receives the form of slanting rays. The sun is called temperature zone. The zone which is received the extremely the slanting rays. The sun and extremely the low temperatures called frigid zone. Only for in cooling zone. Called name of frigid zone is a cooling zone. So temperature zone, so medium of temperature. Torrid zone, so heavy temperature, warm temperature. fully heat. Off zone is a tariff zone. Sum of difference. Frigid zone and temperature zone, tariff zone, temperature zone and frigid zone. Pressure. When the temperature increase, pressure. So decrease when the temperature. So decrease pressure. The pressure is increase. So temperature is increase, pressure decrease. So temperature is decrease, pressure increase. So this means of pressure. The average of pressure, the wind is at a sea level, is 1030 millibar. Some barometer. The instrument which is used of a measure the pressure of a wind is a barometer. 1644 Italy, the Florence pressure, Florence pressure of atmosphere. So Evangelista Satirical. So invented of barometer. The instrument which is used in measure the speed of wind. Anemometer. 1450 Leonardo Battista, Alberti, Italy. The instrument of which is used to the measure direction of the wind is the wind vane. So Mesopotamia civilization 3500 BC. Athenian civilization. Some of civilizations period slated invention of wind vane. So barometer is the instrument of a pressure. Anemometer speed of the wind. So wind vane, so wind directions. Barometer use of measuring of a pressure. Then pressure, the cold air, soft air, the warm air, high. Cold air, so cooling of low. The instrument used, sir, some of wind vane and barometer, anemometer. Low wind. The wind air which is a moves of horizontally from the high pressure area, the low pressure area, called of wind. Air never the moves of directions. It differs from the place to place, time to time. Changes. This due to the rotation of the earth. Wind energy is a form of a renewable energy. Wind of converter of kinetic energy and mechanical energy. The generator can convert the mechanical energy into the electrical energy. Low wind. Low is a strong and dusty, hot and dry. The summer wind which blows over the northwest India during the month of May and June. The wind forming of the moves some of horizontally, high pressure to low pressure. Sum of energy. Take out the wind energy. Low wind. The low is a strong, dusty, the hot and dry, summer wind too. So, the blows of over northwest India during the month of May and June. Thank you. Thank you to all.